Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox FPS drops. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox FPS drops, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here we'll enter to clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait 3 seconds, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.